9.75 times 10 to the third joules of energy are used to move 300 coulombs of charge through a resistor. Determine the voltage across the resistor. First, like always, you're supposed to write everything whatever is given. We have given energy 9.75 times 10 to the third joules. We have charge 300 coulombs. We have to find voltage. You're supposed to remember the formula which says voltage is equal energy divided by charge. And I'm going to use this formula to find voltage. Voltage is equal energy over charge. Remember, always write formula first. Energy is equal 9.75 times 10 to the third joules over charge, which is equal 300 coulombs. This is equal 32.5 volts. And this is the solution to my problem.